Check out this is 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche Lieutenant. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: keyless entry, rear reading lamps, daytime running lights, floor mats, navigation from Telematics, privacy glass, cruise control, traction control, and passenger airbag sensor. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.